Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 common skincare mistakes that people make while using skincare products. If you want to know the 5 common skincare mistakes that people make, please keep on watching. First mistake that people make is using too many products. Now this, I think I might have mentioned about this in my previous video as well, but this is some serious business. Keep your skincare routine minimal and don't use too many products on your skin, because that way your skin can actually go crazy. Use products in your skincare routine that you think is absolutely necessary. Like for example, let me give you my example. When I had started using active based products and skincare products in general, I was using around 6 to 7 products in my skincare routine, which included a face wash, a toner, there were serums, there were moisturizer, there was a sunscreen, there were a lot of products. And despite of using all those products, my skin was not behaving properly at all. It had breakouts, it used to keep breaking out every now and then, there used to be purging every now and then, and I used to think that what exactly is the reason behind this. And now currently I'm using only 4 products in my skincare routine and I love the way my skin is right now. My skin is behaving very nicely with just 4 products in my skincare routine. So what I'm trying to say is, keep your skincare routine very short and simple. Don't include products in your skincare routine which you think is not necessary at all. Don't get influenced by somebody else and start using a certain product. No, that you have to not do. Use products in your skin that you think are absolutely necessary and that is to be used, and without that you really cannot live, because using too many products will also make your skin go really crazy. It will not be able to understand कि मैं exactly करूँ तो करूँ क्या, मतलब कहाँ से heal करूँ. It will not be able to understand that, which is why keep it as short and simple and you will really see the difference for yourself. The second point being not layering the actives correctly. Now this is very important, especially if you are starting out with your active journey and you have no clue about what to do. Now don't get influenced by somebody else. Like I said earlier, don't get influenced by somebody else and start using products in your skincare routine. You need to absolutely be sure that yes, I need to use this. You need to know that what active you have to use on top of what. For example, if you're using vitamin C and niacinamide, don't use it together, because vitamin C's goodness will actually get cancelled out if you layer it on top of niacinamide, and that will actually lead to even more irritations on your skin. If you really want to add these actives in your skincare routine, you can use one active in the morning and one in the night. For example, you can use a niacinamide in the morning because that does not make your skin very photosensitive, and you can use vitamin C in the night because that makes your skin very photosensitive. There are many such actives that should not be layered on top of each other. Let me know if you want me to make another video in that regard. I would love to make that one for you. The third point being not wearing a sunscreen, and I really cannot emphasize any further on this, that do not skip a sunscreen in your skincare routine no matter what happens. Like, wear a sunscreen even if you are not stepping outside, or even if it's a rainy or cloudy weather, wear your sunscreen. Applying sunscreen just once is not enough. You need to keep reapplying it every 2 to 3 hours. If you're going outside, you have to reapply it. If you are staying indoors but you have huge windows in your house through which sunlight actually comes inside and you come in contact with sunlight, you need to reapply even in that case. And now you must be thinking that why exactly is the application of sunscreen very necessary indoors as well. Let me give you a very simple explanation to this. When you are inside, you come in contact, we'll use a lot of gadgets nowadays, be it phones, be it iPads, be it tablets, be it laptop. All of these actually emit light, and those lights, when it comes in contact with your skin, they can actually damage the upper layer of the skin. But if you have a sunscreen on your face, that is going to actually get almost nullified. And application of sunscreen is also very necessary because that will actually slow down your signs of aging. So your fine lines and wrinkles, they will not start appearing very early on your skin. So if you are indoors, an SPF of 30 would work, but if you are stepping out, at least opt for a sunscreen that has SPF 50 and above. The fourth mistake that people make, and it is one of the most common mistakes that people make unknowingly because they are, not really aware of the fact that they're actually making a mistake by doing this, which is changing their products or changing their skincare products very often. Just because there are so many products in the market, we don't have to apply anything and everything. I cannot emphasize any further on this, that apply products on your skin which you think are absolutely necessary, and don't apply products on your skin just by getting influenced by somebody else, thinking that since it has worked on their skin, it's going to work on your skin as well. Because even if you have the same skin type, the texture of each skin, the lifestyle that you live, the texture of your skin, the way you are handling your body, all of these things play a very important role in the way your skin reacts. So don't switch your products very often, because that will actually end up harming your skin even further. Sticking to one product and giving the product its fair share of time to actually work on the skin is the best thing you can do. Because if you constantly keep changing your products, if you constantly keep changing the brands, is what I'm trying to say here, even if you're using the same formulation in a different brand, your skin will react to it, and it will actually get too much for your skin, and your skin will show crazy reactions like breaking out, a lot of purging happening, there is acne breakouts, then there is drying out, there is hyperpigmentation on your skin, a lot of things. And then to cure that, then you will have to switch on to other products, and you begin to layer so many products on your face. Give each product that you're using a fair share of time, because any product that you use, at least use it for 1.5 to 2 months so that it starts showing its effect, and because it needs that much of time to adjust with your skin also. Here I would also like to add one more thing, that if you're incorporating a lot of products in your skincare routine, don't add them all at once, because that way you will not know what product or what active is showing what kind of effect on your skin. Incorporate one product at a time, giving that one product that you've added a fair share of time to adjust with your skin and show its effect on the skin, and then add the next one. That way you will actually know which product is not working for you and which product is working for you. The last but not the least, the fifth option is not moisturizing your face. And this mistake people with oily skin especially make a lot, thinking कि यार हमारी skin तो oily है, वैसे ही इतना oil निकलता है, वैसे ही इतनी sticky रहती है, तो we should not moisturize. That is absolutely wrong. See, been there, done that. I used to think that moisturizing is not necessary, it's going to make me sweat a lot and everything. If you're using the right kind of products, it is not going to be harmful for the skin at all. Moisturizing your skin, even if you are of the oily skin type, is very necessary, because that is not just going to hydrate your skin, but it is also going to make the skin look very healthy. And oily skin people, if you think that you can skip a moisturizer and it's all going to be okay, let me tell you that over a period of time your skin is going to get so dehydrated that for itself to hydrate, it will start oozing out even more oil on the skin, and that will lead to even more acne and breakout problem, because a lot of sebum production will begin to happen on the skin. So no matter what skin type you are, never miss a moisturizer on the face. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you like this video and if you like these tips, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share it with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are in the description below as usual. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.